Welcome to my channel. Today I want to teach you how you can make abacha with little ingredients. So you put the abacha inside the bowl, add hot water. Don't leave the abacha for too long inside the water. You bring it out of the water. Then you put this thing on fire. While the abacha is draining, you put your pot on fire. Add your oil inside the pot. Don't bleach the oil. Don't even allow the oil to stay 30 minutes. You put your onions. You stir it for some time. You add your crayfish, because this is what you use for it: crayfish, onions, pepper, just that. You add your seasoning. You stir. If you look at this oil, you see that the oil is still very much red. It's not bleached. So all this process won't take you up to 2-3 minutes. So the next thing you put the abacha inside. You give it a thorough mix. When I mean thorough mix, you understand? Mix it very, very well. So this abacha is very, very delicious. You might neglect it because it doesn't have much in it, but see, this abacha, if you try this method, I doubt if you try any other method. Seriously, it's very cheap. It doesn't cost much, and very, very, very delicious. Just try this recipe and tell me what you think. Look at it now. Very, very yummy. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy. Thank you for watching. Thank you.